That cloud-based software, we realized, help all the customers, the retailers, the hospital owners, and the grooming salon owners to design their own dreaming facilities. So here we come the new integrated generation of the cabinetries. It fits all the applications, not merely limited to the hospital cabinetries. It's also good for all the grooming salons. All the panels now in the camera, as you can see, they look like real wood with real touching textures, the wood very decent finishing and very real wood tones and colors, but actually they are made from stainless steel. All the inside panels are actually stainless steel sheets. And that's laminated by very strong and durable PVC coating. You cannot even peel it off. It's like a permanent skin for that decent stainless steel finish. Okay, and we have a very wide selection for all the patterns and the colors and the textures for all the full wood laminatures. And for this cabinetry system, we have the tall cabinetry, we have the overhead cabinetry you can mount on the wall, and also we have a standing on the floor bottom cabinetry. For the choices of the tabletops, we have the microcrystal tabletop, like artificial stone, what we call, or the stainless steel. And also we have a stopper, like a lip, to stop the fluid flow away from the tabletops. And also we have the jockeying basins, fully welded and decently polished. And also we have a wide selection for all the faucets. With a knee driving, you can put your knee here to drive it. With an infrared, touchless triggering, or maybe foot stepping. So we have a very wide selection for all the accessories. And now, when we get closer, you can see you even can customize all the details. Now we have the opening doors. The hand is a very ugly garbage bin. You can change it to a decent garbage bin, okay? And also we have this drawers. And we have 3 types of materials for the drawers. Now, this one we're looking at is a single layer drawer. So when we get closer, you can see on the back side, it's actually stainless steel sheet. That's a very significant and a direct show to tell you that's a real stainless steel inside. But in between the 2 layers, look at the door, like a double layer, like a sandwich structure. In the middle is either aluminum honeycomb structure or plastic foams. So it's not merely for the reinforcement purpose, it's also very good for the noise dampening purpose. When you touch it, when you knock it, you'll feel very dull and a very decent sound. And now you can see this one is a double layered drawer, the same as all the front face, okay? And here, ta-da! You even can see a movable, you can maneuver all around trolley. So you can put all your instruments and move anywhere you want in the whole facility. And the specialized collection tray for organizing everything neatly, all your knives, faucets, pliers, everything into this tray, and for the easier cleaning purpose too. Okay, but this drawer is actually made from extruded aluminum system. Okay, so we have 3 types of the drawer: aluminum, double layer, and single layer. And regarding all the sections of the wood patterns, you can see that's a sample to show you a sandwich structure in the middle. So both the inside and the outside are the same material, but the inside is either honeycomb, aluminum, or the plastic foams. And here, when we get closer, you can see a very wide selection for all the laminates, all the wood, timbers, the teak trees, rosewood, everything. 我们先 cut 一下，然后再走第2个，这样会简单一点。